Alright, these were on sale at Walmart. I figured I would pick one up. This is a MainStays 42-inch ceiling fan in bronze. I already cut the tape, so that part of the experience is over. However, let me get my freaking trusty flathead screwdriver. It doesn't want to cut. I mean, it's not really supposed to cut, but it can cut. Yeah. There. This is open. You got your owner's manual. Don't need that, we're real men.
Oh, that's a first. It's cardboard. I've not seen that before.
These are blades. PowerMax Electric Company.
Same with the May one that I got.
It seems like PowerMax makes a lot of the Walmart fans. You got your wire nuts and screws.
Curiosity here. Let's see.
Downrod.
I'm really curious. Okay.
Looks like
It's definitely more bronze, yeah. But it is kind of, it does look kind of brown too. Makes me wonder what it looks like assembled. Those are light.
It's not a high quality fan. This is not a freaking Casablanca. Sure. This ain't no Casablanca, folks. Alright, let's see. Yeah, cardboard. What is this? Oh, it's blade irons. There's 3 of them?
I took the one out already.
There's one out already. So there's another one hiding in the box somewhere.
Oh, I already took them all out. I thought, what should be missing one?
I swear.
No, I see. It's got all 4 right there.
Alright, there's the cardboard. Put that somewhere back there. The globe.
Oh, that's weird.
It's like,
yeah, it's like frosted.
A frosted schoolhouse globe. I like how they just laid a globe in there without no. And here's the fan motor. And canopy.
Light fixture.
The light.
Oh, wait. Is that what I think it is?
Here, you want to hold that so I can get the motor out?
Yeah. I think it has a detachable light kit. Does it? Nah, it does not. I thought it did.
It looks a lot like one of those Alaskas.
Yeah.
Manufactured PowerMax Electric Company. UL approved.
Your impressions of it so far?
Not bad. Kind of reminds me of one of those Alaskas.
Hmm.
Which, I mean, I could probably... Well, mine's put up.
So would you say the color on the fan is a good representation of the box?
Seems like a fairly good representation. The only thing I don't like about these PowerMax fans is they put these freaking stickers all over. At least with this one, they didn't put these on the freaking motor.
Yeah.
Like, that's...
What year does it say? Does it have a year on there? It should say right there on this one.
22.
Okay.
So it's made like 2 years ago? December of 22. It comes with an LED. Oh my God. But yeah, that's at least the first impressions of it. It looks decent enough. Would I say it's worth $60? Probably not.
I'd probably put that side down. I don't know about that side.
That's too modern farmhouse for me. I like that better.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, for $47, it's not a bad deal. Now for $60, I'd say no.
We haven't put it up yet, so we don't know.
But we haven't tested the fan itself yet, so save my final thoughts for afterwards. But so far, it looks decent enough, in my opinion.
So is that all? Yeah, here you go.
So I may attach this to the actual video, and we'll go from there. Alright, here's the Walmart fan installed. Yeah, it's not bad looking. I think it looks pretty nice. It's got reversible blades from whatever this is to whatever that is. Karen Farmhouse, as I like to call it. It's honestly not a bad looking little fan. It's got a single globe light with this kind of matte finished schoolhouse globe. It's like this oil rubbed bronze, which is kind of nice. But yeah, throw it on low. Now, normally I don't talk in the ceiling fan videos because I really don't have much to say, but since this is going to be kind of a review of the fan, I suppose, I figured I would say something. For what I paid for this, which was $47, it is not a bad buy. Now, if you go and pay the full price that this originally was, which was $60, personally I think it's a bit much. However, you get what you pay for. This isn't no Casablanca, no fancy smancy fan. It's a budget fan made for budget-minded people, if you will. With that said, it throws out an alright breeze on low. Nothing earth-shattering, but it ain't bad. Go to medium. I think that's medium anyway. Now on medium, it spins a bit faster, obviously. But also, it's moving a little bit of air. And the motor's making an interesting noise. I mean, okay, I'll put it this way. If you're dying of a heat stroke in the summertime and have no other choice, this would circulate air to at least try and cool you off. It might save you from a heat stroke. I don't know. Anyway, back to high. For what it is, it's not a bad price. Not a bad fan. Is there better stuff out there? Most definitely. Is there worse stuff out there? Probably. I'm not sure what the bottom of the barrel fans are these days, but I feel like this is on that list somewhere. But for it being a budget fan at a big box store like Wally World, it's not bad. And it's moving decent air. But before I'm off. Hopefully the coast down ain't too long, because I don't have very much time left on this. So my overall opinion is, if you can find it on sale for a decent price, go ahead and go for it. It's not a bad fan. The build quality is mediocre, but, you know, it's a Walmart fan. What do you really expect? But for a fan that you just want to put up and use, it's not bad. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Is it great? No. Is it horrible? Eh.